This video shows you what to do if your HP LaserJet printer does not pick up or feed paper from the input tray when you do have paper loaded. Sometimes the issue can be resolved by resetting the printer. Press the power button to turn the printer on. Turn to the back of the printer. While the printer is still on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Then, disconnect the other end of the power cord from its power source. Wait 15 seconds. It is important to wait the full 15 seconds to allow the print mechanism to reset. Reconnect the power cord into its power source. Then, reconnect the other end of the power cord into the printer. Return to the front of the printer. If the printer does not automatically turn on, press the power button to turn the printer on. Try printing a page directly from the printer's control panel to see if the issue is resolved. On the printer's control panel, press and hold the Resume button for 2 to 3 seconds. If the pages print successfully, the issue is resolved. You can resume printing as normal. If the pages do not print, go on to the next step. Often the condition of the paper you're using can cause paper not to feed correctly. Remove the paper from the input tray. Check for obstructions inside the tray. Use a flashlight to view the mechanism inside the tray to make sure that nothing blocks the paper from engaging with the rollers. Examine the stack of paper from the input tray. Remove any damaged paper you find. Make sure that there are at least 10 sheets of plain white paper, but no more than 25 sheets in the paper stack. The printer can hold more sheets of paper, but this number is best for testing. Make sure all the paper is the same size and type, and then tap it on a flat surface to align the edges perfectly. Load paper into the input tray until it stops. Slide the paper width and length guides inward until they stop at the edge of the paper. Do not push the guides in so tightly that they start to bend the paper. Try printing a page directly from the printer's control panel to see if the issue is resolved. On the printer's control panel, press and hold the Resume button for 2 to 3 seconds. If the pages print successfully, the issue is resolved. You can resume printing as normal. If the pages do not print, go on to the next step. Next, we'll make sure the paper settings in the print driver match the settings for the paper you are trying to use. On your computer, return to the document in the program from which you were trying to print when the issue occurred. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and P to open the Printing Properties window. Click Printer Properties. When the Properties box opens, click the Paper Quality tab. Select the Size drop-down menu and then choose the appropriate paper size. Select the Type drop-down menu and then choose the appropriate paper type. Click OK, and then click Print to print the document. If the document prints successfully, the issue is resolved. If the document does not print, go on to the next step. If you've tried everything described in this video and you still have a problem, your printer likely needs some type of service. Contact HP to find out what the support options are for your printer. Your options for service may vary depending on how long you've owned it and what country you live in. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP printer support.